Most people think they're doing pull-ups correctly, but the truth is, the way you're doing them right now might be the exact reason your back isn't growing. Yeah, seriously. You're putting in the effort, you're doing the reps, you're pushing yourself, but nothing's changing. Your arms get tired, your shoulders feel worked, but your back still looks the same. And the worst part is, you don't even realize what's going wrong, because on the surface, it feels like you're doing everything right. But here's the reality. You're not training your back, you're just surviving the movement. And those are two completely different things. Think about this. You walk into the gym, or you go to your pull-up bar at home. You grab the bar, you hang, you pull yourself up, chin over the bar, then back down. Repeat. Again and again and again. You hit 8 reps, maybe 10 on a good day, and in your head you think, okay, that was a solid set. But here's the problem. That entire set, it was mostly your arms doing the work, not your back. And that's where everything starts to break down. But it gets worse, because the more you repeat this pattern, the better your body gets at doing it the wrong way. Your brain adapts. It learns the easiest way to complete the movement. And the easiest way is not using your back. It's using your biceps, your forearms, your momentum. So every rep you do like this, you're not building your back. You're reinforcing the wrong habit over and over and over again. And this is why so many people get stuck. Months go by, sometimes even years. They're consistent, they don't skip workouts, they keep doing pull-ups, but their back? Still flat, still underdeveloped, still not changing. And they start thinking, maybe I just don't have the genetics, or maybe I need more reps, or worse, maybe pull-ups just don't work for me. But none of that is true. The real issue is much simpler. You're not using the muscle you're trying to grow. Wait, this is where it gets really interesting. Because pull-ups are actually one of the best exercises for building your back, but only if you do them correctly. Otherwise, they become just another arm exercise in disguise. So let's break this down. What are you actually doing wrong? The first mistake is how you start the movement. Most people just hang from the bar, completely relaxed. Then they pull, straight away. No setup, no control, no engagement. Just pull. But here's the problem with that. When you start from a completely loose position, your shoulders are disengaged. Your back is inactive. So when you pull, your body immediately recruits whatever muscles are ready to work, which is usually your arms, not your back. And that one small mistake completely changes the entire exercise, because now every rep starts wrong. And if the start is wrong, everything after that is wrong too. So what should you do instead? Before you even bend your arms, you need to set your shoulders. This is the part almost nobody focuses on. You need to pull your shoulders down and slightly back. Think about bringing your shoulders away from your ears. That tiny movement activates your lats. It tells your back, hey, you're about to work. And once that happens, everything changes. Now when you pull, you're not just pulling with your arms, you're pulling with your back. And that's the difference between progress and staying stuck. But here's where most people mess up again. Even if they try to fix this, they rush through it. They don't slow down enough to feel it. They just go back to their old habit. Fast reps, no control, no awareness. And this brings us to the second big mistake, using momentum. You've seen this before. Maybe you've even done it yourself. You swing your body, you kick your legs, you use that little boost to get your chin over the bar, and it feels easier. It feels like you're doing more reps. But in reality, you're doing less work because momentum is doing half the job, not your muscles. And your body learns that. It learns, okay, I don't need to use full strength. I can just swing and get up. So again, you're reinforcing the wrong pattern. This is why you can do more reps, but still see no growth. Because those reps aren't real reps. They're assisted by momentum. Now here's the shift you need to make. Slow everything down. Control the movement, especially on the way down, because that's where most of the growth happens. Don't just drop. Lower yourself slowly. Feel your back working. Feel the stretch. That's where you build strength. That's where